I'm sorry, alright. Joke. That's me, guys. That's AG Extreme. And in this multiplayer game, I am Alnis underscore a 4K. Watch. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. Level 8. That. My skin. As you can see, guys, my skin is a hero bot. I'm doing this because I want to kill someone. Still thinking. Wait, guys, I have a call. I'm sorry, guys. Skywars has been cancelled. But look what they found. 6 girls only. Let's get in. And I think they gonna block me from the server, but I don't know where I can go. Maybe I'm already VIP without knowing. So here's it, guys. We're going in the Black Mine multiplayer server named Sex Girls Only. But I'm not gonna watch them because maybe they're gonna legit block me. Can I go with them? Let's get it. What's their action? What the fuck? You've been kicked out every round. Have juries protection because that. What the flip? But I'm not gonna play this now, guys, cause they legit block me. Just wanna play Skywars time, underscore V1. Here we go, guys. Let's start the Skywars. What's this? Maybe I should go in 6. But I see there is command block there. Press 11. Flip. There is no chest. Sorry guys, I didn't put sounds because I am wearing my earphones right now. Damn it. What the flip? They're invisible. Whoa. I think they put themselves potion. What the flip? Oh my god. Damn it. Which tree? And if you wanna follow me on Facebook, my name is Dong Ujel 4K. The spelling of the Dong is DHONG. The spelling of this movie.
Commander Ali, may bagong information bang na secure ang mga divers ng Philippine Coast Guard na nakalapit pa sa barko? Kahapon sir, is nagdag yung special operation group natin.
No, I'm not in this
Sinulang sila ng dali sa Sijig. Tsaka hindi rin po sila experience na train sa pag-dive sir kasi wala silang walang technical divers ng kasi hindi namin yung sa kaya nag-request kami pwede din sa company sir na magbigay sila ng technical diver para pag-dive din sa Commander Alip, gaano ba ka-cooperative ang kumpanya sa Pakpo sir? Paulit sir. Matulungin pa sila sa investigasyon o cooperative pa sila sa investigasyon nyo ang shipping company? Yes sir.
What was that? Yo, those guys are savage. Legit, they're savage.
Commander Alip, could you please comment on the information gathered by the Talisay City Government na itong MV Fortuner ay mag-isang buwan na nakalutang dyan sa tapat ng Tansohong at parang nagkuha lang ng kargamento.
We got camera mo. Go with the arrows.
Pero ano ba ang destination ng kapong ito, Commander Alip, sa initial information ninyo? Alam ba yan, Commander Alip, na mag-load lang sila from another ship? Yes sir, pwede naman mag-load sir ng ship-to-ship lang sir. May supervision ba from government sa ano ang mga cargo na iniload o i-unload nila? Wala naman sir, bawal pa nila sir. E anong malay natin, Commander Alip, na kontrabando yung iniload nila? Wala na, hindi ko na ako sa sila ilalim din sir. Probably din naman kayo sa good luck sa investigation nyo. Coast Guard Deputy Commander John Manuel Alip. Hapon sir. Yes sir.
Just a call again, guys, sorry.
Hangtod sa second half.
Guys. Guys, I still hope you enjoy. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna stop it now because I'm gonna go in. I'm not gonna go. I have summer class. I think that's what's called. So goodbye, guys. See